Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, kindergarten friends, I didn't see you there. How are you today? I'm so sorry. I forgot it was word work again. I was just practicing some karate. I've always wanted to learn how to do a really high karate kick. It has to do with the letter we're going to be learning about today. We're going to be learning about the letter K. Karate and kick start with K. Boys and girls, get ready to identify what the letter K looks like, how to write it, and listen for words that begin with the letter K. Go get those dry erase boards, markers, and erasers. Meet me back in just 1 minute. Hi, boys and girls. It is time to look at the letter K, see if we can identify it, and write it. Mrs. Opdyke knows that this is the uppercase K. I know it's uppercase K because it has a straight line down, then it has a slanted line that comes into the middle, and then a slanted line that kicks back out at the bottom. This is the uppercase K. This is the lowercase k. It looks similar, but it's just a little bit different. The lowercase k still has that long straight line down, but instead of coming all the way back to the top, there's a small slanted line into the middle and then a small slanted line that kicks out at the bottom. Just notice that this top slanted line does not come all the way to the top. This is lowercase k. So let's take a look at some letters. At home, if you think this is the uppercase K, stand up. If you do not think it's uppercase K, sit down. If you stood up, you are correct. This is uppercase K. It has that straight line down like I was talking about, and the slanted line from the top into the middle, and then slant it back out. Take a look at this one. What do you think? I do see a slanted line. Oh my goodness, but I saw all my friends sit right back down. Why? That's right. Although it has this slanted line out at the bottom, this has a curve from the top to the middle. This is not K. This is the letter R that we learned about a while ago. I see a slanted line in. What do you think? Well, no one's standing back up. So I think you're right. This is not K. It does not have a straight line down on the side, does it? How about this letter? Oh my goodness, everyone just popped right back up. You are right. This is the uppercase K. It has that straight line down. It slants into the middle and slants back out. Now let's look for the lowercase k. What do you think? Stand up if you think it's lowercase k. Sit down if it's not. Caslin, you're so right. You should be standing up. It has a long straight line down, and then it has that smaller slanted line to the middle, and then back out at the bottom. I do see a straight line down. Oh, but so many of you sat right back down. That's right. This is not K. It does not have any slanted lines. This is the lowercase t. It has a straight line in the middle, but no slanted lines. Well, now I see a straight line down again. Oh, Kalani, you say now you're sitting down still? You're so right. You would know. You have a K in your name. This is not K. It has a round circle like a belly. A K does not have any round lines. What do you think about this one, friends? Kennedy, you are right. This is lowercase k. It has a straight line down, that smaller straight line that slants in the middle and then slants back out. Wow, friends. Let's get those dry erase boards ready so we can practice writing the letter K. Mrs. Optic wants you to watch her first. Let's start with the uppercase K. You're going to make a straight line down. And you're going to have to come up here back to the top for the uppercase K. And you're going to slant into the middle and then kick it back out. Try it with me. A straight line down, slant into the middle, and kick it back out. Make sure that the slant starts all the way back at the top where the straight line is. That's what makes it an uppercase K. Go ahead, show me those Ks at home. Nice job, friends. All right, let's do that lowercase k. Pay close attention to Mrs. Optic first. A straight line down. And this time you're not going to go all the way back to the top. You're going to come right about there, slant in, and slant back out. So the biggest difference is this slant doesn't go all the way back to the top. Try it again with me. Straight line down, slant to the middle, and slant back out. Go ahead, give it a try on your dry erase board. This might be one of the more harder letters to write, but I know you're going to persevere. Show me those Ks. Awesome job, friends. Now that we know what it looks like, we've written the letter K, now it's time to talk about the sound it makes. Okay, friends, let's talk about the sound the letter K makes. The letter K says k, k, k. So when I'm listening to my words today, that's the sound I want to hear in the beginning. That's how I know it will start with the letter K. K, k, k. Can you do that with me at home? K, k, k. All right, let's take a look at my first picture. My first picture is of a kite. Let me think about that. Let me say it again. Kite. I know that kite starts with K because when I say the word, I hear k at the beginning. Why don't you give it a try with me? Get ready to give me a thumbs up if it starts with the letter K, a thumbs down if it doesn't. Key, key. Maybe say it at home. Think, what do you hear first? Key. Oh, I have so many friends giving me a thumbs up. That's right. You can hear k at the beginning. K, k, key. All right, let's take a look at our next one. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. I see friends giving Mrs. Optic a thumbs down. You are correct. What sound do you hear at the beginning of pumpkin? You hear the letter P, like we learned earlier this week. Pumpkin. All right, let's listen for the next one. Tape. Tape. That's right, friends. Thumbs down. Tape. What sound do you hear? Go ahead. Whisper it to me. That's right, Camden. Tape starts with T, because I hear t, 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 not k. Koala. Koala. Thumbs up or thumbs down? That is correct. Koala starts with K because we hear K at the beginning. How about robot? Robot. That's right, Rhett and Rylan. Robot does not start with K. You hear at the beginning, like the letter R. How about kick? Kick. So many of you are giving me a thumbs up. You're right. Kick starts with the letter K. What sound do we hear at the beginning? That's right, friends. K, k, k. Boys and girls, you did an awesome job identifying the letter K, writing the letter K, and listening for the sound the letter K makes. Get ready to either practice on your playlist or with your teacher live. Bye, friends.